Welcome back. Today we are going to be diving into the contact dashboard section in the Workflow Secret dashboards. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in. The lead sources dashboard is designed to help you quickly identify which of these lead sources are helping drive your business forward, as well as give you an opportunity to understand how your marketing budget is working for you. On the top left-hand side, you're going to notice all of the different sources of those leads, as well as the number of leads that have been given from any of the given sources. Right under that, you're going to see this represented visually in a pie chart so that you can better understand how all of these efforts are combining, as well as which efforts are leading and which efforts are lagging in that effort. If you want to click on any of these, you can also see which of these leads are being brought into your system from that specific lead source so that you can better understand which quality leads are being brought in from where and use them to capitalize on that investment. Now, you'll also notice on the top right-hand side, we have another date filter so that you can sort by any given date range that you would like to help you better understand how all of these leads are moving into your system and better understand which relationships are being built at what times from all of these different lead sources. We hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on all of these different dashboards. If you have any dashboard ideas that have come to mind, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and you can either ask questions or give suggestions for dashboards you would like to see. Otherwise, we have some other lessons to cover. Go and scroll on down and get those started, and we'll see you there.